Looking to realize your capital gain in real estate? Is this still achievable in today's market where a potential recession is coming its way? Hi, I'm Resale. In my career as a real estate advisor, I have successfully assisted many clients in achieving their capital goal through property investment know-how and advising them throughout their asset progression journey.
In the new launch private residential segment, I usually work directly with the developer's sales team to receive first-hand and accurate information.
Not sure about the current regulation and the taxes involved when getting an investment property? Fret not. I'll be working with you hand in hand from financial planning to shortlisting a project that best suits your needs.
What's more, I can share with you tips to identify undervalued properties so you could achieve maximum capital gain. By harnessing the power of big data, I conduct comprehensive research and market analysis to help minimize investment risks and maximize capital gain for my clients. This data-driven approach allows us to make informed decisions, stay ahead of market trends, and identify profitable investment opportunities.
In the resale market segment, I conduct in-depth market research through the search framework and in-depth price analysis. How does it help you?
Through the research and analysis, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of current market conditions and property values. This information can then be used to position your real estate portfolio for success and craft a tailored marketing strategy to fetch the best possible price in the shortest amount of time.
In the HDB segment, I've assisted many clients in achieving the highest transaction price. How do I make this possible? Come, let me show you.
Together with our in-house media team and vendors, we help clients with home styling, professional home tour video, 360 Matterport tours, professional photography, and many more. All these approaches can enhance the unique selling points of your home and help to present it in the best possible light.
But all the best marketing in the world won't matter if your property does not reach the right audience and as many of them as possible.
That's why I use cutting-edge AI technology to ensure your property is proactively marketed to the most relevant buyers through multiple social media platforms, including Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
So whether are you looking to unlock the value of your existing property or find your next dream home, I'm here to help. Connect with me today. I'm Resale. See you soon.